Hey users, this is Charam Rai and today we are looking budget finance sheet. Okay, so what we have in this budget finance sheet, how it works, and what are its unique functions and features. Okay, so initially, as you can see, we have been greeted with a pop-up. It's a daily finance checking pop-up where you can see its confidence score. Confidence score, a few small paragraph and a small line, so you can just press OK and this is our initial dashboard. Okay, so since we have not entered any data, so it looks empty. So as we fill up the data, it will be get covered. Okay, now nextly we have bill calendars, like a calendar where you can see all your upcoming bills name, expected amount, due date and next due date, and status. Okay, so you can also see selected month, total amount, and this selected month can be changed directly from the monthly budget, this drop down box. Okay, over here. Next we have transactions, where you can see date, category, transaction type, amount, descriptions is essential, auto category, month key. Okay, wherever you see this hand icon pointing downwards, you need to fill that data. Okay, rest everything will be auto filled. As you can see in bill calendars, there is no hand data, so it will be auto filled. In transaction, you can see the 4 columns has this hand data, so you need to fill that data. Rest will be auto filled. So let me show once. Okay, here I've selected date, here I selected category as internet bill. Now you can see everything else will be auto filled wherever the hand icon is not present. Okay, so now you need to just fill amount, just fill the amount. If you have any description, you can write a description or link blank. Okay, next we have monthly budget sheet, where you need to just select sheet. Okay, like January, and you can see total budget, and this total budget comes from the transaction sheet whenever you here enter the income. Okay, like let me show you this. I selected this, like income is more likely, let's say we have salaries or business income, side income, freelance income, rental income. Okay, investment return is also an income, other income also is present. Okay, let's say we have salary, so rest will be autofill. Let it autofill firstly. Okay, so autofilled, and let's say our salary is 5k, so we have entered that, and you can see in the okay, since you are not seeing here, because in transaction sheet you can see over here we have selected December. Okay, so the month is January, so let's select December now. Okay, now you can see total budget automatically gets updated. Okay, now you can also see total actual spent, that is 500 that we spent in the internet bill. Over here you can see internet bill. All right, so you can see budget health score also on planned budget. Okay, presently we have not planned any budget, so you can just plan your budget. Like you can select frequency, let's say property tax. Okay, let's say if frequent it's monthly. Okay, due date, you can now just double click it and select the due date. Let's say it's today, and plan budget, let's say it's 500. Okay, just enter. So you can see actual spend also you can see in colored. Okay, so this means it's below the planned budget, and this means you can see a red one, and this means it's above the planned budget. Okay, let's say we have planned the internet bill as well. Let's say mobile phone, and I think this is the mobile phone, right? So mobile phone bill, let's say we have selected 26th, and planned budget is 500. Okay, so over here you can see it turned white. Okay, this means since this is equal. Okay, so you can easily identify that, plan your whole budget in according to that one, in that case. Okay, So you can plan your whole budget, look to the category and plan your whole budget. And here is the meters as well, okay, where you can see budget health score is 0.5, okay. So you can easily identify it with color, okay, whether it's green, red, yellow. You can even see saving goals, okay. So you can easily enter the saving goals as well here, like let's say goal amount is travel or trip or picnic, anything like that. Let's say targeted amount is our 50k, and you can see saved amount is 0, amount remaining is 50k, target date is, let's say we target it within 1st March, okay. So you can see even monthly saving target, what should it be, 25k, progress percentage also you can see, okay. So how this will work is when you enter transactions, let's say you have this, you have just selected this and this date. So over here you can see here is a travel, just we created the one, just select that, everything will be autofill since 25 is our initial, so let's enter 25, okay. Now you can go to saving goals and you can see saved amount is 25, amount remaining is 25, okay. Active, progress is 50%, okay. This will auto update automatically. Okay, now in the income sheet, as you can see, income source is our salary. As you can see in transactions, we have income is salary, okay. So we have 5,000. So over here, if you come to income, you can also see in salary we have 5,000, okay. You can also see selected month is December, total amount is 5,000, okay. So this total amount is also based on selected month, okay. And next we have is investment. So in the investment sheet you can see we have selected month December, total amount, month based investment, not no investment, okay. So since we have not created any investment, so it's empty, okay. This total amount is all investment amount, and this is the monthly best investment amount, and this is selected month. Everything is auto filled, okay, no need to enter anything. So what we need to do is we need to just go in transaction sheets. Okay, now let's enter the investment, okay. Now to see the investment how it changes, so let's enter the date, let's select the investment. Investment are stocks, mutual fund, crypto, fixed deposit, gold, real estate, okay. These are the investment types. We'll also introduce a new investment type, which will be other investment, okay. Below it you will find that when you will purchase it, okay. So let's say we have invested in stocks, so wait for it to autofill. Yes, it is autofill. Let's say investment is 1k, okay. So we put enter and you'll see in the investment tab, okay, stocks, last update date, investment value and notes, okay. So you can also see in the top selected month is December, and in month best investment is 1,000, total amount is 1,000, okay. So you can see monthly best investment too. So lastly we have is dates, okay. So you have lender name, just enter lender name, let's loan, so original amount, let's say it's 2,000, okay. So interest rate is, let's say it's nominal interest rate 15%. Say period is for 10 years. So you can see for the period of years we have entered 10 at the interest rate is 15. So final amount will be automatically calculated, which is 8,880. So you can even see if you take any loans how much you have to pay in the final amount, okay. This is calculated based on the most financial institution, that is compound interest rate in the remaining amount. So usually this matches with the amount of your actual amount. So you can see principal paid, interest paid, total paid, remaining balance. This will all be auto filled, okay. This will be all be auto calculated. To enter is now frequency, so just enter the frequency, like we have weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. So let's select firstly monthly. Now when you select monthly you can see installment amount, okay, it's 74. Now let's select we want yearly, so you can see installment amount is 888,888, okay. So let's say it's still monthly, so it's 74. last payment date is 30/12. So since this is arriving because we have not paid anything, okay, so next due date will also, this will, both will update when you start paying, okay. So if not paid, it will show this, okay. And status is active since you have not repaid it till now, so it will be active, okay. When you finally finish, it will be inactive, okay. Let's say date taken date, okay, let's say we have taken it in August. So if previous amount was paid, okay, so let's say previously we have paid 1000, okay. Loan purpose, this is for commendation summary, so let's say we have taken it for personal. So remaining you can also see remaining tenure in months, okay, it's 115. So after this, you can just update here, like when you pay the date, just you can update, it's over here, SBI loan. So just click it, everything will autofill, waited for it. So let's say we have 74, right? But let's say we paid all the amount, so you can go to date and check it. Oh, sorry, we have to pay this final amount, that is 880. So you can still see its interest paid is 1550, and principal paid is 450, and total amount is 2000, okay. Remaining balance is still 6880, and rest is everything. So let's pay all the 6880 from the transaction sheet. I was like paying date was as easy like over here. So let's pay the whole debt, so 6880, right? So let's pay it all. Now let's go to the date and just check it. Now total amount paid matches with the final amount. Now you can see status has changed to inactive, okay. This is the date. You can see DOC for documentations, and now we'll go to the view dashboard firstly. Now you can see in the dashboard we have financial health, which is 80, okay, this is a good score. And we have recommendation summary, we have actual allocation summary, cash flow summary, okay, it's internet bill, property tax, we have this is allocated or monthly allocation, okay, planned budget, and this is actual cash flow, sorry. So this is total saving, we have this month, total investment, current date is 0, date taken was 880, date paid is 880, total saving target is 50,000. So this is month wise. You can see month wise to income, expense, saving, bill paid, date taken, overdue bill, number of bill unpaid, date paid, bill due, investment, essential, non-essential spending. You can see everything from here. And we have bills to note, okay, no bills for due for today. So if you have any bills, you will get over here. So financial confidence trend, so this one is financial confidence health meter. So this is the financial confidence trend according to the monthly basis, okay. This will be according to the monthly basis. In January it's this, so next month, let's say you filled on February, if it went up or down, you'll get the line how it went, okay. So you can see current date is blank because we have no current dates initially, okay. So it's blank, okay. And we have savings is for Europe trip, you can see over here. We have investment, we have income patterns. Now you can even see the top 5 essential expense and top 5 non-essential expense too, okay. And you can even see month wise trend, expense trend, income trend. Since we have only 1 month, when you'll enter the next month, you will be able to see all the months, okay. So over here too, you'll be able to see bill calendar. Since it's filled, so I wanted to show you. So we have bill name is property tax, internet bill, expected amount, due date, next due date, okay. So status is one is paid, one is today. You can even see selected month is of December, total amount is 1000. So if you were unable to see any bills of present month, so what you need to do is you need to go over here and select the month properly, okay. You need to select this month properly. Whenever you select this month properly, everything will be updated. So go to bill calendar, you can see January we have no bill. You can see even in income too, everything will be empty. So once you have filled that data, let's say we have selected January, right? So every data was removed, right? So now we can select December. Now what it will be is it will autofill the past data. So you can see every past data has been autofilled over here. So similarly it goes for bill calendar, similarly it goes for income and other datas. Okay, so now I'll exactly show how will it look once you will fill all the data properly and start using it. This is our initial dashboard where you can see financial head, recommendation summary, actual allocation summary, class flow summary, bills to note, no bills for today. Okay, if you have any bills for today, then it will show up here. So let me create one and show you. Say here we have utility bills. Yes, I'll just create quickly. Okay, now you can see as we have updated the bill, new bill. Okay, and you can see it has also been updated over here to bills to note, with the name, utility, amount, due date, and status today. Okay, then trend over December to January, it has moved down. Okay, current date, CFC loan, savings, it's Europe trip. So when it will be 2, so it will automatically give data in this way. Okay, so here you can see gold, real estate, and fixed deposit is 800. And here this is non-essential expense, top 5 non-essential expense, and this is top 5 essential expense, month-wise trend, and this is bill calendar. You can see over here transactions, you can see over here monthly budget. This is the monthly budget. So you can see health score is not good, it's -5. Okay, positive means good, negative means bad. You can even see from colors too, it's red. Okay, green means good. Here's saving goal, here's income, investment. Okay. So here is date. This is all, and thank you very much for watching. If you like such videos, please hit on subscribe and like and do comment. And if you want such a financial budget sheet, so please go to the descriptions and check the HL link and just simply purchase it and just check out our setup video. You'll be ready to use this amazing sheet. Thank you very much for watching. Here Sarvam Rai signing off. Thank you very much.